Alright, what we got here, we got an electric 6 string. It doesn't matter what kind of 6 string it is, it's an electric guitar. And what we got that tuned into, let me go ahead and do this. Now what you just heard open C. That's an open C tuning. I'm going to show you several chords. I'm going to show you some picking. I'm going to show you a little slide action. We're going to do something really nice. We're going to do it beautiful. It's going to be a delicious little party we're going to do on the guitar here, and you're going to like it. Okay, let me get rid of this right here. If you don't have one, get it. Okay, this is the millennial age. You need one. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Figure it out. What we got here, we got a guitar neck. Can you hear that beautiful sound? It's delicious. Beautiful. Okay, I'm playing out of a Roland cube. I got a cube in the back. I got the setting on acoustic. It's got the acoustic sound to it. I got the reverb up. Of course we do. We got reverb to make it a beautiful sound. We're going to go ahead. We're going to do some strumming. We're going to go from the 12th fret all the way down to the 1st fret and in between. Now I can sit here and I can strum my guitar and that would sound great. That would be a beautiful thing because it's tuned in open C. I got it made. I'm the guy that says it's made. I got it made. It's a song today. Yo, yo, yo. We could do it like that if we wanted to. We could do that. We could do this if we want. Okay? We can take our finger like this and fret it. Do you see how I'm doing that? And slide it. We can slide it. I'm okay. Yeah. So we can do all that. And that would be something that would be a beautiful song. Make our own words up, kind of like I just did. But we're not doing that today because what we're going to do, I'm going to teach you how to use one string on this neck. We're going to use one string. I'm going to turn the guitar up a little bit. We'll go ahead and set our pickup to the soap bar. There we go. Okay. And what we're going to do, I'm going to show you the scale on one string. What string is that, guy? The string that we're going to use is that string right here. I don't read music. I don't know what the 5th and 7th and 1st and 4th and all that is. We're just going to do it. We're going to, okay, I just got off work. Okay, my hands are dirty, but that's okay because we're playing something beautiful and delicious. Okay, so we're going to start out here, right? Did you see that? Let me show you again. 2nd fret. There we go. I just did something for you to watch and to like. What we just did, let me get this cord out of the way. I can't move my chair around. There we go. So what we just did, can I turn the light on? Let's do that. Okay, that's not working. Let's leave the light off. Okay, so what I just did, I just showed you one chord on the 2nd string, and that's at the 2nd fret. Do you see that? Did you see that? Okay, watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go to the, let's see, 3. I'm going to go to 4. Now I'm going to go to 5. I'm going to bring it on up all the way to 7. 9. Do you see that? I'm on 9. Then we're going to go from there, we're going to go straight over to 11. And then 12. So let's go ahead and do the whole scale. Follow me here. It's going to be beautiful. We got 1, 2. Kind of like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, da. See? So there you go. You just learned a scale in open C. I just showed you that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to put it on. That's called a slide. A lot of people out there, they aren't into slide. They don't give a shit about slide. and they probably don't give a shit about this video, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. And we're going to go ahead and take this hand, and I use 2 fingers. Some people use 3 or 4, and we're just going to kind of randomly pick around. We're going to find the octave string. There it is, right there. It's not, that's not it. That would work. We're going to go down to the 4th string in the 2nd. Did you hear that? Did you see what I just did? I took it. I'll get the camera back a little. There we go. I'm only doing the 2nd string with my... Okay, so we're going to slide it on from 2nd to 4, and then we're going to come up here from 11 to 12. Do you see? Let's go ahead and do a little slapping, a little picking. We're going to do a little number here. If it fucks up, if it sounds a little shitty, you know, we're practicing. We're beginners. Let's go ahead and... Did you see that? Did you see that? Watch. Okay, watch my fingers here. I'm just picking, I'm just randomly slapping. That's all I'm doing. I'm taking that slide and see how beautiful that sounds. Do you see that? That's a beautiful, beautiful, delicious tune that I just made up using an open C chord. Okay? Did you hear that? And all I did is use 1 string. Let's do that one more time. We're going to move down the line. I want to get this video made. I want to make it quick. We don't want to be here slapping our jaws a lot. We're going to do it one more time. That's it right there. And then at the end, you might go ahead and take your 1st finger and hit the octaves on the 12th fret. See there? Watch. I'm sorry, I fucked up, right? We don't want that. Stay away from that one right there. All you want to do is, let's hear it. That's not it. Okay, let's move down the line. We're still going to use that action, but we're going to do a couple chords now. The chords that we're going to do, we're going to use 3 fingers on those chords. Hopefully you washed your hands before I washed mine. And on the 5th fret, we are going to go to the 3rd string and the 1st string and the 3rd string. Do you see my fingers? That's going to be the first chord we're going to... Okay, so that's a staggered. And then what we'll do is we're going to move our middle finger, this one right here. Okay, we're going to move that down on the 3rd string, down to the 4th fret, and then we'll take our 1st string and put it on the 1st string, 2nd on the 3rd fret, and then it'll be like this. Watch here. Okay, you can't see that. There you go. Okay, so you got the 2. Yeah, we got that one and that. Okay, so remember those actions there, remember those settings. But we're going to start down here. We're going to start right here at 1. Did you see that? Okay, I used 3 fingers and I did like 7 chords. Let's do it one more time. We're going to start here, 1, and 3 on the second. We're going to move it up to the 3rd fret. Then we're going to take our first finger off, move our 2nd finger to the 5th, and take our 3rd finger on the 1st string. See that? Now this is the important thing. This is the important thing on how to play those chords. You don't want to hit all the strings. Look, this is what it'll sound like. That sounds like shit, people. That sounds like dog meat. Sounds like something the dog won't even own. Throw the dog a bone. That's what you would do. Okay? Forget the top strings. Let's just concentrate on the bottom strings. Okay, where were we at here? Let's start down here. All right, here we go. Ready? And this is the nice, beautiful thing about open tuning. If you can get the chords down and you can get a little slide action going, okay? That's what it's all about. That's open C tuning right there. We can keep the slide on our fingers so we can use it randomly, and we're going to go like this. One more time. Here we go. Here it is. Right there, you just learned open C. I showed you a nice beautiful scale to make beautiful music. I showed you 2 chords that you can slide from here all the way up to the 12th fret. Let me show you those chords one more time before we go. Very quick, easy. 1st string, 3rd string. We slide it up to the 3rd. Come over to the 5th, we take our 1st finger off, go to the 3rd string. That easy. It's easy. Let's make a song. That's it. Here's our scale. Thank you. Open C. It's a beautiful tuning. It's a tuning that says you can use a slide. Okay, we're going to be back with this tuning because there's so many opportunities of song playing in it. And singing along, you might say, or making up your own music. Open tuning's the way to go. That's what we want. We want open tuning, and we want to play it the right way. We'll see you on the next one. Take it easy and enjoy your guitar playing like I'm enjoying. And if you get the nerves, show people how to do it. Show people what you got and how you can do it. And you too will learn the trade of being the idiot that gets on here and shows people how to do stuff.